Today's lesson is over unit rates. So in unit rates, before we do that, let's talk about ratio, our last lesson. Oscar is 16 years old and his sister, Julia, is 12 years old. What will be the ratio of Oscar's age to Julia's age in 2 years? So Oscar will be 18, Julia will be 14. Ratio. Does order matter? It does. So Oscar to Julia is 18 to 14. 18 colon 14 or 1814. Can you simplify this? Yes, divide by 2, you get 9/7. So for every 9 age of Oscar, Julia is 7 years old. So years from now, when Oscar is 27, then Julia will be 21. When Oscar is 90, Julia will be 70. All right, a rate is a comparison of two different quantities with different units. We're going to be focusing on unit rate. A unit rate is a rate that is written as a fraction so that it has a denominator of 1. That's very important. It is a rate that has a denominator of 1. Often with unit rate, you'll see the word per. Dollars per magazine. Miles per hour. Heartbeats per minute, and so on. Per means divide to find one unit. So it's for every one unit. Like you will hear MPH, MPG, miles per hour, miles per gallon. So it's how many miles you can drive per hour, or how many miles you can drive for every hour. How many miles you can drive for every gallon, for every 1 gallon, for every 1 hour. So if the rate involves money, like $20 per CD, DVD, I mean $20 for every DVD, for every one DVD, then the unit rate is called unit price. So to find a unit price, you have cost, and then you divide it for every one unit. For example, if I paid $36.60 for 4 tickets, and I want to find a unit price or unit cost, I will do $9.50, and then I will do, that's $9.50, I gotta break it down to 1 unit for every 1 ticket. So it's $9.50 per ticket for every 1 ticket. So let's practice this. There's a package of 6 crackers. It contains 246 calories. How many calories are in 1 cracker? So here's a bar diagram. So this whole bar has 246 calories. We're going to divide this bar into 6 equal sections. So here you have your 6 equal sections. You label the first section as 1 cracker, 1 cracker, 1 cracker, 1 cracker, 1 cracker, and 1 piece of cracker. So we would like to know how many calories are in this 1 piece of cracker. So we're breaking it down, so divide. So 246 divided by 6 goes in 41 groups. So there are 41 calories for 1 cracker, 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 and 41 calories for 1 cracker. So total there's 6 crackers, 246 calories. So that's one way to do it. There's another way to do it. I'm going to use the box method right here. So we know there are 246 calories for 6 crackers. I would like to know how many calories are in 1 cracker. So how do I break it down? What scale? I need to break it down or build it up. But for this one, I'll probably have to break it down. So how would I break this down? From 6 crackers to 1 cracker. Divide by 6. Divide by 6. 246 divided by 6 is 41 calories per cracker. So it's 41 calories for every cracker or per cracker. A bottle of body wash costs $2.88 and contains 12 ounces. Find the unit price. How much does it cost per ounce? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is 1 ounce, 1 ounce, 1 ounce, 1 ounce. So this is a bar diagram. So this whole bar costs $2.88. There are 12 ounces in here. So I would like to know the price of 1 unit, 1 ounce. So it's $2.88. It's broken into 12 ounces, so let's divide it. Can 12 go into 2? I don't think so. Can 12 go into an 8? 2 groups. Can 12 go into 48? 4 groups. So it costs 24 cents for 1 ounce. Another 24 cents for another ounce. Another 24 cents for another ounce. I am not going to copy that over and over again. So I'm going to do it right here. So each ounce costs 24 cents. So it's 24 cents per ounce, or 24 cents for every 1 ounce. One way to do it. Some people like the box method. $2.88 for 12 ounces. I need to know the cost for per ounce, for 1 ounce. So how do I break it down from, what's the scale? How do I break it down from 12 ounces to 1 ounce? I divide by 12, divide by 12, and I get 24 cents for 1 ounce. Travis drove 130.5 or half mile in 3 hours. 1 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour. He drove at a constant speed. How many miles did he drive per hour? That's how many miles did he drive for every 1 hour. Well, I need to break down 130.5 into 3 parts. So can 3 go in 13? 4 times. Can 3 go in 10? 3 times. Can 3 go in 15? 5 times. So 43.5 mile for every 1 hour. So, yeah, for 43.5 or 43.5 miles for every 1 hour or per hour. So this is the bar diagram. Some people may prefer the box diagram. 130.5 miles in 3 hours, 1 hour. How do I break down 3 hours to 1 hour? Divide by 3, and I got 43.5 miles per hour, or 43.5 for every 1 hour. Last but not least, Craig swam 18 laps in 30 minutes. He swam at constant speed. How many laps did Craig swim per minute? So there are 18 laps here. I want to know for every 1 minute. Oh, goodness gracious. 1 minute. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. So each one of these represent 1 minute. 1 M, 1 M, 1 M. So I have 18 liters that's broken down into 30 parts. So can 30 go in 18? I don't think so. 0 times. We don't allow remainders here. Add a point 0. How many 30s go to 180? 6 groups. So there are 0 and 6/10 liters for every 1 minute. 0 and 6/10 liter for every 1 minute. So 0.6 liter per minute. Or that's the bar diagram. Some of you may not like the bar diagram, so let's look at the box method. So how do you break down 30 minutes to 1 minute? Divide by 30. Divide by 30. 18 divided by 30 is 6/10 liter per minute. So Mrs. Meyer wants, so we're going to practice more with unit price, unit cost. Mrs. Meyer wants to buy some peanut butter for her girls. Yes, her daughters. She wants to buy as much peanut butter as possible because we all want a great value. Which brand is the better buy? Justify your answer. There's Jif, Skippy, and Peanut Pan. So Jif costs $2.22 for 12 ounces. Oh no, I have no work here. So let's do Jif. It costs $2.22 for 12 ounces. I want to know which one is the cheapest per ounce, or cheapest for every 1 ounce. So how do I break it down from 12 ounces to 1 ounce? Divide by 12, divide by 12. 222 divide by 12. It goes in 1 time. How many 12s go into 102? 8 groups, I think. Yes, it is. 6. I know I can get rid of the remainder. How many 12 go in 65 times? So it's 18 and a, if you do this, it's about 18 cents or 18.5 cents for every 1 ounce of Jif. What about Skippy? So it's $2.70 for every 18 ounces. So how do I break it down from 18 ounce to 1 ounce? I divide by 18, divide by 18. 270 divided by 18 is 1 group. That's 9. That's 15 groups. So it's 15 cents for every 1 ounce, or per ounce. And last but not least, we have Peter Pan. It's $4.62 for 28 ounce. That's a huge tub of peanut butter. I love peanut butter. My favorite cookie, by the way, is Nutty Buddy, or Nutter Butter. I remember I used to say that as a kid all the time. So, pecan sandies. So, how do you break it down for 28 ounces to 1 ounce? You divide by 28, divide by 28. So 462 divided by 28. How many groups of 28 go to 4? I don't think so. How many groups of 28 go to 46? I believe it's 2 times. No, that's 56. That's too large. Oh, how embarrassing. So it goes in 1 group. So let's regroup this. How many groups of 28 go to 182? 5 times, I think. Let's see, that's correct. 5 times 4. It's 10. Actually, it's 6 times. 6 times. That's 48. 4 is 12. 148. You know what? I wonder if it's 7. Oh, it is 7 times. You know what? I should have done it on the side of my paper to figure out. Let me erase all this. Let's just make sure. 28 times 7 is 56. Carry to 5. That's 14, 56, 18, 19. Let's go back here. Oh no. Where am I? Oh, here it is. It's 462. I break it down by 28. How many groups of 28 go to 46? 1 time. That's 18. Can't even read my handwriting. 181. But 7 times is too large, so it is 6 times. So that's 28 times 6 is 48. Carry to 4. 12, 30, 40, 50 is 168. So that's 9, 10, 11. Regroup. So we have 13. We can get rid of this remainder eventually, I'm sure, because of 5 times, I believe. 5 times 8 is 44. That's too large, so it goes up 4 times. But we're going to stop right here, because it does say which one is the better buy. If you look at it, it's about 18.5 cents for Jif. Skippy is 15 cents. It's flat out. But Peter Pan is about 16 cents. A little. So which one is the better buy? Skippy is the better buy. And for unit rate, again, for unit rate, you are breaking it down to 1 unit or per unit.